Hey, Superior Woodworking, it's Paul Akers. I'm on my way to work at 6:30 in the morning. I'm sorry if this video is a little delayed, but Brock contacted me and told me you guys are doing great on your lean journey, which is fantastic. And he asked me about a video maybe on standardization. So standardization is a very, very, very critical component of lean, and I'll explain why. So your primary objective in lean is quality. And you want to deliver to the customer consistently the same thing over and over again, and in a lean world, an ever improving product both in quality and in price. Well, it's very difficult to achieve that objective of continuous improvement or consistent quality if everybody in the company is doing it a different way. So we create standards which are the best standards, the best way to build something. It isn't someone's opinion whether or not it's Brock's idea to build this way or Bob's idea to build this way. It's determined by a team working together that this is the most effective way to produce the most consistent result. So you create a standard, and then everyone works to that standard, and then all of a sudden George says, hey, you know what, I think this would be a better way, and you run a test. And if the test proves that the new way is better based on safer, quality, simplicity, and last, speed. You would think speed would be the most important thing. It's the least important thing. Quality really trumps everything. Of course, we're never going to make an improvement if safety is impaired. So if you base all your improvements on your standards, on those four criteria of safety, quality, simplicity, we don't want to add complexity, and then speed, then everybody will be working at the same level, producing the same quality, having a measuring point from which to measure the next improvement. This is why standardization is so important. If you come to FastCap, everything's standardized at a super high level. And you know what it does? New people come to our company and they go, wow, this is the easiest place to work. Everything makes so much sense. Everything's so clear. Everything's so visual. You have visual cues and standards for everything. Visualization is everywhere because we've taken the time to create great, simple, clear standards that produce quality. So we rarely ever have mistakes. We're not chasing our tails running around going, wow, why did that happen? We know exactly why everything happens because we have clear standards. So standardization is like one of the key things to lean, and you can do this, and I'd love to see some of the videos on how you begin to standardize things so that work is easier, more enjoyable, and you deliver more quality to the customer. Thanks a lot, Superior Woodworking. You guys are awesome.